All right. Dude, listen to that whoosh, that motor. But anyways, we're inside the Tower parking facility in downtown Montgomery, Alabama. Wait, did I just say Montgomery? Because coincidentally, guess what kind these are? These are none other than Montgomery elevators themselves. Literally in Montgomery, Alabama. All right, finally get to do a cab view. I caught him at the worst time ever. These elevators are insanely busy. Lots of people are coming. It is incredibly painful to get a good video. But anyways, see, there's your Montgomery sign, and these are your fixtures. They're older Innovation Universal fixtures. Here's your phone. It's a Montgomery elevator in the heart of Montgomery, Sweet Home, Alabama. I think this will be a perfect special for Justin, known as JimLiElevator 3219. All right, I'm gonna let this lady take it, and we're gonna get the other elevator car. It is insane. It is ridiculously busy to the point it's not even worth filming. Which is my worst nightmare. I thought I succeeded. Well, I did succeed at first, but it's literally like 3:30 and it should not be packed like this until after hours. This is not even worth filming. All right, we're gonna go up. We're gonna get off in the video on the 6th floor and get a view, because these elevators are just painfully busy. It's just continue getting worse and worse and worse. And these are your fixtures. Let's do a quick cab view. It's just like the other elevator. Here's your phone. View of the cab. All right. I'm gonna get a view of downtown Montgomery. Goodness, it's hot up here. But anyways, I'm not sure. Oh, here is a view into downtown Montgomery, Alabama. Hence the name of the elevator. See, there is RSA Tower, but I'm not going to do the elevators there. These are, after filming the Otis Touch elevators, I'm only just going to do a couple of them because for time limitations, and we have to get back on the road here soon. But I think this side is probably a good view of downtown Montgomery. And I hear a train horn. I think this is probably a good view of downtown Montgomery, Alabama, which is definitely a coincidence. Montgomery. When I came here, the moment I stopped here in Montgomery as a city, I just literally could not help myself but to run all the way to this parking garage just to see the Montgomery elevators. Because no visit to Montgomery, Alabama is complete without getting a ride on the Montgomery elevators in the parking garage. And unfortunately, oh, you can get a good view. I didn't see that. Oh, okay. I thought something was blocking it. I'm like, okay. Here's the view. I think this looks like a pretty good view right here. Oh, I didn't mean to zoom in. I'm sorry. Oh, here's an even better view up here. See, this is a view of downtown Montgomery, Alabama. Excuse the satellite in the way, but I'd much rather just get a good view here rather than dealing with insanely packed elevators, because I feel like I came here at the very, very wrong time, and people are literally just piling and piling and piling and piling in the elevator to the point where it is not even worth filming. So, or even, well, if I get busted, it's even worse. But thankfully, it didn't happen, and no one is going to bother me, because I think this is a city-owned garage, but I'm not sure. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Montgomery elevators at the RSA Tower parking facility, literally in Montgomery, Alabama. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.